two giants in the insurance world, but only one can claim the crown, which truly stands out. On one side, the time-tested John Hancock, and on the other, the streamlined Banner Life. Let's push aside the marketing hype and see what's really going on. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which insurer pulls ahead, and the winner may just surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're sizing up these two on price and value, policy options, underwriting and approval, living benefits and riders, financial strength, and of course, ease of use and customer support. Ready? Let's kick it off. Okay, let's get real about price and value first. John Hancock packs a ton of features in their policies, and yeah, there are some sweet multi-policy discounts if you're into bundling, but honestly, their prices, they're kinda just average, maybe even a little higher than some rivals if you start adding on extras. Now, Banner Life, oh, this is where they shine. We're talking some of the lowest rates in the market, super straightforward term coverage, and if you're healthy, the value just goes through the roof. The trade-off, Banner doesn't really do permanent life, so keep that in mind. Still, for most folks looking for big savings, Banner totally comes out ahead here. Moving on to policy options, John Hancock is like the buffet of life insurance. You want term, they've got it. Universal, yup. Indexed, absolutely. They're even known for strong living benefits and that signature Vitality Wellness program, though fair warning, sometimes all those choices can feel a bit overwhelming. On the other hand, Banner Life, they're super focused, term life up to 40 years and solid conversion if you change your mind later, but no whole life and not many riders to fancy things up. So, for sheer flexibility, John Hancock takes the win here. Alright, underwriting and approval, this is usually make or break. John Hancock offers an accelerated process if you're pretty healthy, which is cool, but if you have certain medical conditions, honestly, could be a tough road. Banner Life, though, they're surprisingly flexible for a lot of risks, and if you're younger and healthy, approvals can be lightning fast. Now, for older or more complex cases, yeah, it might slow down, but overall, Banner has the edge. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Banner Life's parent company, Legal & General, manages over $1.8 trillion in assets worldwide. Yeah, trillion, with a T, no wonder they've got that A+ rating. Now let's talk living benefits and riders, because this is where things get a little spicy. John Hancock just throws in a ton accelerated death benefits, their whole Vitality Wellness thing, and you can add long-term care, critical illness, you name it. Some people might think the Vitality perks are a bit much, but honestly it's kind of cool if you're into health rewards. Meanwhile, Banner Life, they include the basics like accelerated death benefits and term conversions, but yeah, it's a bit limited on riders. For living benefits, John Hancock totally takes this round. Financial strength, okay, ready for a plot twist? This one's a tie. Both John Hancock and Banner Life are rocking an A+ from AM Best for 2025, and honestly you can't do much better than that. John Hancock's been around like forever, over 150 years. Banner Life is backed by Legal & General, which is a financial heavyweight, so wherever you end up, your policy should be in safe hands. Last up, ease of use and customer support. John Hancock gives you decent digital tools plus their agent network if you like the traditional feel, but full disclosure, some people have mixed feelings about their customer service online. Banner Life, though, is all about making things easy, streamlined online quoting, and a reputation for being super clear with customers, though their mobile app isn't anything to brag about. Out of the two, Banner Life wins for actually making insurance somewhat pleasant to deal with. Just to give you the lay of the land, here's a quick visual picture, that radar chart, and notice where Banner's scoring high on price and ease, while John Hancock's crushing it on options and living benefits. Both are rock solid for financial strength. So, wrapping it all up, here's my honest take. If you want every insurance bell and whistle plus that wellness angle, John Hancock's got you covered. But if you're chasing unbeatable value, simple term life, and a painless experience, Banner Life's the one. Go John Hancock for customization, go Banner for pure value. Makes sense. If you found this helpful, stick around and subscribe so you never miss a smart insurance breakdown.